Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking cheese. Want to know what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. As promised, I am going to share with you my 70 calorie, 16 cracker, less than 1 carb cheese cracker. And I actually came across this recipe, I don't even know where I found it. This was back in the days in the early 2000s when Atkins was all the rage and all we ever ate was meat and cheese. And a lot of it.
Some cheese, miss?
Yes, please. Thank
Great.
you.
Just tell me when to stop.
Yeah. I'll tell you when I want you to stop.
So wherever I found this, I have no idea. But I've looked all over the internet and every cheese cracker either has the almond flour aspect where it does have some nut flours and then it's more soft crackers, sort of like a wheat thin, or it just has straight up cheese that's either piled, shredded, and then melted, or squared off and then melted. And it's usually like a cheddar cheese or something like that, which gets a little bit oily and has little holes in it, and they taste great. I mean, cheese crisps are great, but they also can be pretty high in calories. And since we're trying to stay low on the calories, I thought, what is the best of both worlds? So no matter what camp you're in, if you're low calorie, you're low carb, or you're both, and you're trying to up the protein and minimize the carbs, this is the cracker for you because it literally takes 2 minutes. 2 minutes. To make in your microwave with 3 ingredients. And I bet you already have them, at least 2 of the 3, I bet you already have. So the first ingredient is this. It is the deluxe American cheese slices. This is not the cheese slice that's wrapped in the plastic wrap that looks like shiny wax. It's not that. It's the deluxe American cheese slices. The Kraft ones, these are the only ones I've ever used, so I cannot claim that store brands will work, but here it is. This is 70 calories, less than 1 carb, 3 grams of protein, 6 grams of total fat in 1 slice. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make 16 crackers out of 1 slice. Let's go into my kitchen and see how you make them. Okay, you're gonna take the deluxe American cheese. I cannot express enough. It's the deluxe ones, not the ones in the individual packaging. These are 70 calories for 1 slice and less than 1 carb. So really good calories, really good carbs. All right, then you're gonna need some chili powder and some garlic salt, and that's it. So you'll put 1 slice down and cut them evenly into 16 pieces. So it's just 4 strips one way and 4 strips the other way. And you will have 16 squares when you are done. All right, so you're gonna put them on parchment paper. You can put them on a plate and transfer them to the microwave and lay it flat. Then you'll take the chili powder and you'll just pinch it and sprinkle it around until all of them have a little bit on it. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the garlic salt, maybe a little bit less on the garlic salt so they're not too salty, but just sprinkle it on. Then throw it in your microwave either on that plate, or I ended up taking mine off the plate to lay it flat. I tried to film this to where you could see it cooking, but it just did not work. Every angle, so I kind of gave up, but it is cooking. Mine took 1 minute and 40 seconds until they looked like this. So they're just slightly golden and stiff, just like that. And then you just take them off of the parchment paper to cool. And as they cool off, they will crisp up even more. It only takes a minute or 2 for them to cool down enough to where you can eat them. And there you have it. 16 chips, 70 calories, 1 carb. So good. And since we were all about trying to make family-friendly recipes, let's see what the kids think about it. I have made 70 calories, less than 1 carb, CHEEZ-ITS.
Okay.
Oh, you have tried
Yeah,
that?
I've had these.
Oh.
Yeah, I've had these.
Stop. I need your brother to try them.
Yeah, I've had these.
Good?
Yeah.
Kid approved? All right. Just take one. Oh my gosh.
All right, now bring the plate back this way.
What do you think?
They're very good.
They're good, right? Okay, so there you have it. They're crunchy. They take 2 minutes. I mean, literally, it's like my microwave was 1 minute, 40 seconds. Every microwave is different, so watch it because there's a fine line between rubbery and chewy and not quite crisp enough and burnt. So watch it closely and get to know your microwave and your cheese and see how long it takes. But then let them cool off for like 60 seconds, maybe 2 minutes max, and they will actually get crunchier as they cool off. Now, I have never stored these because they never last in my house. And really, like, you throw one in the microwave for 1 minute, 40 seconds, you eat it right then. You're not really, bulk batching these and making them all ahead of time because they don't take hardly any time to make. As far as if they store well in an airtight container, I don't know. But these are so good. They're so easy. They're low cal. And for 150 calories, you could take some turkey pepperoni and these cheese crisps and you would have no carbs, no sugar, 150 calories, and all protein. It's a great snack. So if you're looking for something, grab yourself some deluxe American cheese slices, cut them up into 16 squares, put a little chili powder and garlic salt on them, and you are good to go. Now, I'm sure you could season these up with lots of other things, everything but the bagel seasoning, all sorts of stuff. It's just that this combination seems to taste the most like a Cheez-It to me. And what I really like about them is that it's American cheese and not cheddar, and so it's a milder cheese flavor. It's not overpowering. So, try these out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of them. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with all your low carb friends, your low calorie friends, your protein friends, all your friends. So basically I'm saying share it. Thank you. Be sure that you are subscribed and you have clicked the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. So next week we're trying out some candy that only has 1 gram of sugar. We're comparing 2 brands and seeing which one is better because these were spotted on the shelves at Target as new. So we're gonna check them out and see if they're any good to add to our movie night snacks. So stay tuned for next week's video. Otherwise, I hope you are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.